Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we talked about what cloud computing is and the different service models like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In today's video, we will move one step further and learn about the cloud deployment models. These are basically the different ways in which cloud services can be deployed and used by the organizations. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the differences between public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and multi cloud. Public cloud. Here, cloud services are delivered over the internet and shared across multiple users. Think of it like a public bus. Anyone can buy a ticket and use it. Examples include AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. It's cost effective, scalable, and perfect for startups or companies who don't want to manage their own infrastructure. Private cloud. This cloud infrastructure is dedicated to a single organization. Think of it like your own private car. Only you and your team can use it. It gives more security, control, and customization, which is why banks, government agencies, and large enterprises prefer it. The trade off is that it can be more expensive since the organization has to manage or host it. Hybrid cloud. As the name suggests, it combines both public and private clouds. Imagine you drive your private car most days, but also you use a public bus when needed. Organizations use hybrid cloud to keep sensitive data in a private cloud while using the public cloud for scalability and flexibility. For example, a retail company might store customer payment data in a private cloud but run their online shopping website on a public cloud to handle huge traffic spikes during sales. Multi cloud. Here, a company uses services from more than one cloud provider. For instance, they might use AWS for storage, Azure for machine learning, and Google Cloud for data analytics. This helps avoid vendor lock in, improve reliability, and lets organizations pick the best features from each provider. So, to quickly recap, public cloud is shared and cost effective. Private cloud is dedicated and secure. Hybrid cloud provides the best of both worlds, and multi cloud implies multiple providers for flexibility and no lock in. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we will dive into virtualization and the data centers, the backbone of cloud. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations on cloud computing. See you in the next one.